Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the time control on chess.com before starting a game. If you've ever wondered how players switch between bullet, blitz, and rapid games, or how to select a custom time option, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. Changing the time control lets you decide how fast or slow your chess games will be, which can completely change the strategy and pace of the match. Whether you want super fast bullet games or longer rapid matches, the steps are very simple once you know where to click. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then sign into your account. Once you are on the homepage, look at the left sidebar where you'll see several icons for different sections of the site. Find the icon labeled Play, which usually looks like a small chessboard. Click on that Play icon to open the main playing menu. This section is where you can start games, play friends, or choose different game modes available on chess.com. Next, click on Play Online. This option takes you to the matchmaking screen where you can select the type of game you want to play. At the top or center of the screen, you'll see different time control categories such as Bullet Blitz and Rapid. These categories represent how much time each player gets for the entire game, so choosing the right one depends on how fast you want the match to be. If you want to change the exact time settings, click on More Time Options. This will open additional presets and sometimes custom controls, where you can pick different minute and increment combinations. For example, you might choose 1 minute for bullet games, 3 minutes for blitz, or 10 minutes for rapid. Simply click the time control you want and it will become your selected game mode. This is the step where you're effectively changing the time on chess.com before starting the game. After selecting your preferred time control, all you need to do is click the green play button. Chess.com will immediately start searching for an opponent with the same time settings. Within a few seconds, you'll be matched and the game will begin with the timer already configured to the option you selected. If you ever want to switch to a faster or slower game, just repeat the same process and choose a different time category and that's it. That's how to change the time control on chess.com before starting a match. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple chess and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.